Securities litigation firms versus exchange regulatory counsel. Which one is better for market misconduct cases? Most people assume that handling market misconduct is just about filing reports or responding to regulators. The surprising truth is that the right representation can make the difference between a minor penalty and multi-million-dollar liability. Securities litigation firms specialize in defending or pursuing cases involving insider trading, market manipulation, or disclosure violations. They are experts in complex financial laws and know how to navigate court proceedings. For example, if an executive is accused of trading on non-public information, a securities litigation firm can guide them through investigations, represent them in civil or criminal actions, and negotiate settlements or defenses. Their focus is on protecting clients from legal exposure and reputational harm. Exchange regulatory counsel, on the other hand, focus on compliance with exchange rules and proactive risk management. They advise listed companies, brokers, and traders on policies, reporting obligations, and internal controls to prevent violations. For instance, if a company plans a secondary offering, regulatory counsel ensures all filings and disclosures meet exchange requirements, reducing the risk of enforcement actions. Their approach is preventative rather than reactive. The key difference is reactive defense versus proactive compliance. Litigation firms protect clients once allegations arise, while exchange counsel works to prevent allegations from ever occurring. In practice, companies facing high-stakes market misconduct often benefit from both. Regulatory counsel sets up compliance frameworks, and litigation specialists step in when enforcement actions occur. The takeaway is clear: for serious market misconduct cases, relying solely on internal compliance or in-house counsel can be risky. The surprising truth is that combining proactive regulatory guidance with expert litigation support maximizes protection, minimizes exposure, and ensures a robust defense strategy.